Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are talking about the city creation. In this basically we are talking about the television basically education level. In the television education, people says that basically whatever city basically is going to create, that advertising basically is done by the television group basically, and they basically say that they can create the environment also nowadays basically. They create the environment from city, they can create the environment from the song, they can create the environment from the movies, like this basically they say basically. So that is very dangerous also, and very, because this television group basically can handle up to certain level only basically. Rest of thing basically only nuclear power company, energy company and power groups only basically can handle the thing basically. That are basically coming into the MBA groups also basically comes into the picture, because television groups basically are not up to the level educated, right? So educational level related if anything comes basically, that basically this group basically can't handle. So things basically are like, for example, one city is going to create. So one person basically got the contract, that is the producer. He was the producer of this city. Producer means he was not businessman basically. He was the producer of television basically. He was the television producer. He was basically in front of the world basically. But real producer is basically somebody else only, who are basically investing the money in the city basically. He basically handles that producer basically. He given the contract to that particular producer and told that basically this is the city basically, like this the city is going to going to generate the energy. So few people told that basically nowadays basically the city energy equal to vegetable, city energy is equal to fruits, like these things basically are there, right? So this basically advertising you have to do basically. Then he told that okay basically we will do this type of advertising. Like this, one of the person told that basically okay we will do this type of advertising, so you can do the advertising. And if you want, you can handle, you can keep the control of this city also by creating few songs basically. For that basically they create literally few movies also basically. For that basically they create few movies. So for example, for to generate the particular environment, like for example one city basically got too much of pressure basically due to some reason basically, might be some due to corona or something basically. After they told that basically we want to generate some romantic environment basically in the city, so they basically told that basically okay we will do that. We have basically created this movie basically. In this movie basically this is the song basically. You can take this songs energy basically. We are basically telling that basically these all are the songs and these all are the lyrics basically of the song. According to that basically, you just require the lyrics only basically. So take the lyrics basically, and this is the lyrics of the song basically, and take that lyrics, and then basically the energy company, power company and nuclear company decoded that into the environment basically in the energy format, and then they basically set it the environment basically. That basically generates the romantic mood basically. And before that basically generating the mood, they basically told that we want the control of few human needs also, that is the few fruits and few vegetables. That environment also we need basically. So they basically told that basically we have generated few fruits basically for to generate the romantic environment basically, because they have generated the blood cells basically, right? But only by generating the blood cells the uh, human mood does not get controlled. Human mood basically does not get activated. So for that basically we have to pass the power supply basically. So for that basically they have taken the fruits, they have basically already taken the fruits or basically vegetables that is already there in the body, and they have basically already generated the blood cells. So that blood cells basically require the activation part, that basically that song is going to do. That song basically will generate in the environment basically, and then basically the each and every house basically get romantic mood basically, who actually eaten that fruit basically. And that food basically is eaten by those groups only basically who are basically married basically. Divorced people basically can't eat basically. Why? Because they don't have basically wife, or basically if they have girlfriend then basically they can eat. So like this basically things are basically there. So here basically the television groups basically are. Now basically the commerce group, that basically we already discussed. CA is there basically, BCom people are there, MCom people are there. Then basically comes to the uh, ME and MTech group basically. ME and MTech group basically, that are bachelor engineering groups, and that is also technological groups basically. MEB, that basically are same basically. So this is basically the education basically, right? Non-education is totally different. That basically we have already discussed. So this is basically the difference between educational blood cells and the non-educational blood cells. So there is a huge difference basically. There is a huge difference basically. So like this basically things are basically there. Like this basically things are basically there. So in this part basically we are discussing what basically city is basically created. In this 20% basically are the error basically that is connecting to the education side basically. That is 100% there is error because words basically has created. So one of the person told asked that basically what your Vadodara city basically generates the word basically in the environment. Then he told that in environment basically this type of blood cells basically gets generated basically. Which type of blood cells? Then he told that basically this type of blood cells. Then he told that which type of blood cells. Then he told that we generate this all blood cells in your energy. That are basically few word basically are positive, few word basically are negative basically. Then one of the person told that basically the people who are basically non-educated, their body generates the energy basically. Then they told that basically they doesn't generate because they are not connected with that educational data basically. That is the MBA equal to that energy data basically that they have not generated basically. Then it is told that basically yes basically you are correct. So like this basically things are basically there basically. So like this basically things are also basically there basically. So one of the person told that basically यार ये तो बहुत बोल रहा है बंदा, इसका आवाज़ कैसे बंद करे. So few people basically start giving the idea from the laptop basically. एक काम करते हैं ये एनर्जी छोड़ दे तो इसके पेट में दुखेगा, ये एनर्जी छोड़ दे तो इसके प्राइवेट पार्ट में दुखेगा, ये एनर्जी छोड़ दे तो इसके आँख में दुखेगा. Like this basically few Bangalorean people basically few Chennai group basically people few Vadodara people basically told that basically we will give this all idea basically and send him in his laptop basically. So this energy also generated. So like this one of the person told that basically यार basically 20% error जो है basically that basically connects to the education part basically. Then he told that yes basically that is there is basically error. Then he told that basically 200 people basically who are basically suffering from the system, who basically hates the system basically, that people basically that are 200 people basically. So how basically these people basically are going to control basically. Few people says that basically we basically kills that type of people basically who basically go against the system. Few people says that basically say that basically kill me basically, then I will let you know basically who I am basically. This type of people basically are also there basically in 200 basically. So that type of people basically also there. So they basically for the system basically it's full of abhiman, no people. They have full abhiman basically. Abhiman means ego basically are lot of there basically. Why? Because they are telling that we are controlling the city basically and you are trying to control us. That basically ego comes into the picture basically. So they basically go up to the level basically. They basically say that basically see basically what medicine he is having, take that medicine control in our custody basically. Each and everything basically they do basically. They basically say that what he's eating, that basically you will get from the data science project basically. That you will get from the data science project. For specially data science project are basically created. That also going to connect on last day of world basically. The data science group. So then one of the person told that basically data science project is there. Take the data from that people basically and attack his body basically. Whatever things basically he is doing, attack करना है. On last day attack करना है. On last day of world. Then one of the person told that basically yes here basically this type of people basically are also there basically. Last day में attack करना. Then one of the person told that अरे यार do you know the last day of world का condition? Then he told that basically I don't know यार basically how many body parts are going to attack and which all are the group basically and where basically are they going to stay basically, that you know basically. No, that I don't know basically because that place are going to create historical place, that's why from there only basically the world end basically condition is going to generate. That is also there basically. So that place I don't want, that should be Vadodara city basically. that I don't want that it should be Bangalore city. In next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this.